Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a water slime. As you can, right now I already have the blue. I have the blue inside, and I have not done one. I literally just watched a video yesterday, and I really hope this turns out good. So let's put the pigment in here. I'm going to be making a blue water slime, because water is blue. Make sure you don't put too much in there, like just that much, and then just stir it in there. But you guys can use either paint or just food coloring, but really most people use paint, so I was just going to use paint for today. And so, okay, as you can see, that's blue now. I think you can see that, right? It's blue. Okay, so just stir the pigment in there. If you guys want it to be a little bit darker, you can put a little bit more. I am very sorry about the sliding. It's very terrible. Well, I think that works a little bit, but hopefully it does, but okay. So I am already done with this pigment. How big this lid is, and compared to that, it's huge. Okay, now blue. So when you say water slime, you hear water, right? So I have a big bottle of water, bottle of drinking water. It's very, very cold right now, so, but it can be a normal temperature and stuff. So I'm just gonna pour some water in here. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just going to stir it. I am very nervous about this. And I mean very nervous. It's still kind of like gooey-ish. Like, so in the video, they actually put like a whole actual bottle inside this. So I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep adding to it. I mean, I don't want it to lose its gooiness. I hope it doesn't lose it. That's really pretty. Looks like a turquoise blue, kind of. Like it's kind of clearish. Well, of course it's clear, Amanda. It's blue with clear glue. So, wow. It still looks like it's glue. Okay, let's keep adding this. I'm really nervous right now. I really hope this is satisfying, because, yeah. It looks satisfying though. Like it just looks like regular water, but like a little bit gooey, or with blue food coloring. Oh my gosh, there's still pigment on here? What the heck? Okay, just take that off. Yeah. Ew! Ew, this feels weird. Okay, I'm gonna go get a paper towel. I will meet you guys back in a second. Hi. Okay, hands are clean. Really what it felt like was like some kind of, I don't know, like, you know that sliminess on the fish? I'm gonna pour a little bit more in here. Okay. I need to put more pigment in here. I'm not gonna use, I don't think I should use this spoon. Yet I'm pouring it on the spoon. Wow. Okay. What the heck? It's like not even. That is weird. I have never taken a look at. It's like in chunks. That's so weird. Here, let me show you. Look. Chunks. Chunks of paint. Okay. That is so weird. That's weird. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That was a lot of paint. That was like a big blobby-ish thingy. Okay. This is weird. More water. Again. Hello, water, my old friend. Okay. It still hasn't lost its gooiness. Ow. Really, when I was doing this, which is like, that's weird. Okay. Mixing. Okay. Latte, chocolate. Okay, now I'm starting to act like Dora. That's not pleasant. Stop! Literally. Get off. Okay. Okay. So guys, I actually have some other videos, and my friend Haley, we are actually doing a few dumb videos, and we have done a challenge, but it's not working. And plus, I kind of need to change my username to Amanda and Friends. So if you guys can help me, I don't know, but if you guys can help me, I really need some help. Like, maybe comment in the comments of how to do that or something. I don't know. But yeah. Okay. It actually looks like, it looks darker when you just leave it alone, but when you take it out, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't need to be a very last drop. It's still gooey. It's still gooey. Oh my god. Gosh, I literally went like that, and it was like right on the edge, right there. Yeah, it got on me and this. Okay, I need to stop that. So I'm going to put this mixture in here, really, and no, it's not water. I will not be putting any more water in this thing, of course not. But really, all it is is just this, like 3 or 4 teaspoons, which this is what I call a teaspoon. But I just put it in some hot water. I put it in the microwave, and so yes.
Hey, you're wasting a lot of time. That's what we should be doing right now.
Plop, plop, plop. What? It works. Oh my gosh. It actually works. Wait. Okay. Now I'm going to go in and get my hands dirty. I will show you guys this slime in my next video.